Is long. Press into the tops of the feet. Knees are underneath the hip points. Walk them there. Wrists underneath the shoulders. Walk them there. Spread your fingertips wide. It's going to feel a little difficult to be on the hands like this at first, but claw through the fingertips. Keep the integrity of spreading the fingertips wide, and in time we'll build strength and stability to be here for longer periods of time with more ease. Curl the toes under. Send the hips to the heels. Good. Inhale, rise. Inhale, elbows forward. Up. Exhale, around and back. You can close your eyes for this one if you like. Find what feels good. Inhale, forward. Up. Exhale, around. Fours. Excuse me. You can use your blanket here to pad the knees. And we're going to come into a tabletop position with a neutral spine. So lengthen the crown of your head forward so your neck is dead back. One more time, inhale forward, lift up, exhale around and back. Awesome, release the hands, bring them forward now as you slowly transition to all